Here we introduce the operation method of the apparatus for verification of maximum and minimum force. First, introduce the operation method of the verification of maximum force test. First, we clamp the sample socket. Pass the steel wire through the ring at the end of the gauge to prevent it from falling and damage the gauge after pulling it out. Hung on the rings on both sides of the steel rope to the handwheels on both sides of the clamp. Plug the gauge into socket. Choose weights according to the standard. Hang the weight on the ring at the end of the gauge and hold it with hand. Release the hand. If the gauge is pulled out of the socket with the falling of the weight, it is considered qualified. Otherwise, it is regarded as unqualified. If the maximum force gauge with the weights still not enough to pull itself out of the socket, then raise the additional weight to a position 50 mm from the main weight. Then release the hand. And if the gauge is pulled out as the weight falls, it is considered qualified. Otherwise, it is not qualified. Next, we introduce the operation method of the verification of minimum force test. Insert the pin of the gauge into the socket and start timing. After the time specified on the standard, if the gauge is dropped, it is considered qualified. Otherwise, it is not qualified. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.